How to sign up for DigiWards account. Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily create a new DigiWards account. But before getting started, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's get into the video. The first thing you need to do is download the application, and if you guys didn't know, DigiWards is a mobile application that allows its user to earn rewards by engaging in various activities like playing games. It's primarily focused on games, and as you play, you can accumulate points that can be redeemed for real-world rewards such as PayPal, Cash, or Gcash. So the first thing you need to do is open up the app, and you have to agree to their terms and conditions and tap on login. Just wait for it to load. Now you'll just have to select your Google account to continue. And once you select your preferred account, you can go ahead and log in. So as you can see here, you can get an invitation code to get more rewards. So once you do that, you should be able to log into your account. Now, if you tap on your profile icon and the three dots here, you will be able to see, if you see this logout option, that means you're successfully logged in. That's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.